Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss what is mean by mean or expected value of x and variance of capital X for continuous random variable. Let us see the definition. The mean or expected value of the continuous variable capital X is denoted by mu or expected value of capital X is defined by mu equal to e of x, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. Okay. Similarly, we define what is meant by variance of x. The variance of x of a continuous random variable capital X is denoted as sigma square, or variance of x is defined by sigma square equal to variance of x equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. We know how to find e of x, that is called mean. So here we don't know how to find the expected value of x square. Therefore, we consider the expected value of x square is nothing but integration minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x into dx. Okay. So this is called mean and variance of capital X for continuous random variable. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.